Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna learn and talk about
congruent.
congruent. What are the congruent?
Like if it's upside down, like mirror image.
Yeah, it's a
We're talking about that later.
2D figures. Doesn't
Yeah.
matter if it's upside down or
At
like-
least 3D figure.
So what is a congruent? So I can see triangle 1 and triangle 2. So
Are they
what do you
the
think?
same? They are the same.
So do you think they are congruent triangles?
Yeah, they're the same.
Why?
Because it is same. But it's a bit, this one's bigger, but whatever.
Same shapes.
Well, whatever.
Yeah, same shapes. Okay, let's see. So they have the same shape and size. So triangle equal to triangle.
We did.
Okay, so
Mirror.
or if one has the same shape and size as the mirror image of the other. So if I put the mirror,
If I put the
this
mirror
way?
right here and there's two triangles on one side and the mirror's in the middle, it will look like the triangle on the other side is right there, but it's the same thing, but it's upside down. Like this way. Actually, I could draw it. I'll show you. So pretend this line is the mirror, okay? And then the one triangle is like this.
yeah,
Another triangle is on the other side.
yeah. So
But-
they're congruent.
But pretend the mirror,
Yeah.
and then there's a triangle on the mirror that shows like this.
Yeah, can you move a little bit back so they can see? Okay.
And then like this is
So next we will learn about
not
congruent. So what do you think? Is this a congruent? No. Why?
because that's a triangle, that the
are
other
not.
one is a square.
They are not same size and
Well,
shapes. That's why they are non-congruent.
No,
They do not have the same shapes and size. Right.
it's not.
How about this one? Is this a congruent? Why you think so?
Because this is just upside down.
Yeah, it has the same shape and same size. That's why they are congruent figures. Okay, even though it's upside down. You're right. So even though triangle 2 is upside down compared to triangle 1, they would still match up perfectly. What is the congruent figures? Even though it's upside down, they are. Okay, so riddle
So
quiz.
this is one.
I have many sides, but I'm not a circle. I have a corner, but I'm not a room. I have lines, but I'm not a book. What I am?
Polygon.
Are you sure?
Yes,
You're right. Why it's polygon?
because it has many sides, but I'm not a circle.
That's straight
And I
line.
have corners, but I'm not a room. And it has lines,
Not a
but I'm
book.
not a book. What am I? A polygon.
Good. Next, please. Which figures are congruent?
None!
Why?
Because none of them are the same shape or same size.
Good. This one kind of looks same.
But this has 6 and that has 5.
Oh, you're right. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.
Lena's Pretend Play.